Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the three best screen protectors for the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a cutting-edge device with a stunning display, and protecting it is essential to ensure longevity and optimal performance. A high-quality screen protector not only shields your screen from scratches and impacts but also enhances usability with features like fingerprint unlock support and crystal clear viewing. That's it, let's get started. So first off, I would like to take your attention to ESR Shockproof Screen Guard. The ESR screen protector for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a flawless fit with its Ultra Feed Tray, cleaning kit and dust repellent adhesive, ensuring a quick and bubble-free application. Using advanced micro-nano adhesive technology, it provides a seamless, crystal-clear screen experience without dust or imperfections. Crafted from high-quality tempered glass, the screen protector delivers ultimate protection, resisting nasty impacts while safeguarding your screen against drops, scratches, and bumps. Combining durability, ease of installation, and premium clarity, the ESR screen protector is a reliable choice to keep your Galaxy S25 Ultra screen safe and pristine. Next up, let's talk about Ultra Glass Unbreak, exceptionally durable screen guard. The Ultra Glass Unbreak screen protector for the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra combines cutting-edge nanotech glass technology with exceptional durability. The ultra-thin yet shatterproof, it delivers top-notch 9S Plus scratch resistant and unparalleled protection. With flawless 100% ultrasonic signal transmission, it ensures seamless functionality with a fingerprint reader. Enhanced by UE-Tech, it amplifies sonic waves, providing faster and more responsive fingerprint recognition, eliminating delays and frustrations. Designed exclusively for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this protector feels virtually invisible, acting like a second screen while offering unmatched strength and clarity. It is the perfect choice for premium protection without compromising on functionality or user experience. And finally, I would like to take your attention to Oton HD Clear Screen Protector. The Oton HD Clear Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a seamless, dust-free installation with an innovative tray design that ensures a bubble-free, precise fit. Crafted from advanced 9S hardness tempered glass, it provides robust protection against scratches, impacts, and everyday wear, keeping your screen safe and pristine. With its crystal clear transparency, the protector enhances the sharpness and vibrancy of your display, delivering a crisp and detailed viewing experience. Its advanced adhesive formula supports effortless fingerprint unlocking and optimal touch sensitivity, combining durability and functionality for a professional finish that enhances your device usability and aesthetics. And there you have it, folks. Choosing the right screen protector is crucial to maintaining the pristine condition of your Galaxy S25 Ultra while enjoying its full capabilities. The options we have highlighted combine advanced technology, effortless installation, and durable protection to enhance your device functionality and lifespan. Thanks for watching. Now that you have known my top picks, it's time to share your favorites as well. And I'll catch you up in the next one with more such cool accessory roundups. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.